special egg so big and round had to reach its safe new ground. First through volcano valleys deep, where fiery mountains softly sleep, he tiptoed quick past smoky air, holding tight with tender care. Then up the mighty mountain slow, where gooey puddles love to grow, with squishy steps and muddy toes, on and on the dino goes. The special egg, it bounced a bit, but little dino wouldn't quit. Through jungle green and rocky path, avoiding every tricky trap, at last he reached the sunny nest. His dino egg had passed the test. A happy chirp, a gentle tap, a tiny hatchling from its nap. Little dino cheered with glee, a hero's job for you and me.